here at Nyatu Resort in Chumukadima, where the 10 MLAs, Naga MLAs from Manipur are present, and they have called for a press conference regarding the issue in Manipur, the prevailing issue. They have called for this press conference in order to make known about the meeting with Amit Shah that happened on June 7th. Let's have a look.
Naga people coming together to solve the problems of the state and the region. So today we're here. We met our Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji, and we have briefed him our concern to him, and he has responded us very nicely, and we're happy. In his invitation, we went to Delhi to meet him as Naga MLAs of Manipur. So we're here today to brief you how we have interaction with him. And before that, I would like to introduce our colleagues, our senior colleagues, all of our members here. 10 of us, 100% we're here, Naga MLAs of Manipur. So I will introduce one by one. Myself, I'm MLA Dikho from Mau constituency. And this is our Honorable Minister, Mr. Awombo. He's the minister. He's the president of the Naga MPF, Naga People's Front. And Honorable Minister, Mr. Kusim Vasum, he's also minister from NPF. And on the right, Mr. Ram Moiva, retired IS officer. He's the MLA of Ukhrul. And the next is Mr. Mahem. He's from MLA of Tamenglong. And Mr. Dipu, in short, we call him Dipu. He's the MLA of None. He's an IS retired. And Mr. Leshu, former, he's MLA of Kamzon. He is the former president, Hill Area chairman. And I'm sorry to say that, I have skipped Mr. Dipu is the chairman of the Hill Area Committee of Manipur, which is for the tribal 20 MLAs. He's the head. He's leading the team, the institution. He's Dipu. And Madam Olis, she is the MLA of Chandel. And Mr. Kaisel, former minister, he is the MLA of now Tadobi constituency. And Mr. Kumusha, and from Karang constituency, a student activist before, and he's a newcomer this time. And we all are here 100%. We're happy that this time, as I said, the Naga people of Manipur, the MLAs of Naga people come together across all party line. We're here together today for the cause of our state and our region and our people. So now I would like to hand over to our Honorable Minister to brief you how we have interaction with our Home Minister.
Thank you. After meeting our Honorable Home Minister in Delhi on 7 evening, on our way back, here we just stop over because some of our friends, colleagues will be going somewhere again from here. That's why we have decided to just land here and give a brief press statement on our meeting with the Honorable Home Minister. We are invited to come to Delhi. All 10 of us landed in Delhi. And we met him on 7 evening, as I mentioned earlier, on his invitation. And we have a very meaningful discussion with our Honorable Home Minister on the present situation in Manipur. We appreciated him for his prompt action to bring Manipur situation under control. We also conveyed to him that Naga legislatures, including our Honorable MP, who is also a Naga, representing Outer Manipur, also was with us during our meeting with our Honorable Home Minister, that we have been trying our best to bring both the communities into, understanding and, if possible, negotiate with one another to bring the situation into normalcy again. We have been doing our best at our own level, and we also show our concern about how things have been, becoming words during the last 10 days before. And we have also conveyed to him that in the event of any arrangement for separate administration, we have told him very clearly that our Naga areas should not be touched because that has been a contention from many years. As we all know, there has been a lot of issues and problems in the past when separate administration was made in Manipur. The same thing we have conveyed to him, that in case of such arrangement, in order to avoid a further escalation of the situation, further problems, we told him that the Naga people should be consulted properly before any arrangement is made. And as we have an ongoing peace process, in the event of any arrangement for the Nagas, we would like the arrangement to come as per the peace process that is going on between the Nagas and the government of India. The Honorable Home Minister conveyed to us very, very clearly that in the event of any plan for arrangement of separate administration whatsoever, there are three major communities in Manipur: the Meiteis, the Nagas, and the Kukis. All the communities will be properly consulted and bring into consensus if any plan is made for any arrangement. They have very clearly conveyed to us this, that nobody will be left out in case any plan to make any arrangements. But he said that first peace should come. There should be peace first, then only the rest will be discussed. And from our side, from the Naga side, as a legislature, we have been trying to reach out to everyone, both civil and the government level also, to show our concern that we would like to have peace. We would like these issues to end at the earliest in Manipur. This is what we have conveyed to our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shahji, and he also had conveyed to us that he is trying his best to bring the situation under control and peace is restored again, so that we again go for whatever way. This much we would like to tell friends about our meeting with the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you. We made no demand, but we said in the event of any arrangement for anybody, Naga areas should not be touched because that will only create more problems. And in such events, Home Minister said we'll be consulted. And we also said that in case of any arrangement for the Nagas, it should be based on the ongoing peace process, which the Nagas and the government of India is engaged. And we are all hoping for the permanent solutions. And we would like to make arrangement, if any arrangement is to be made for the Nagas, based on the Naga peace process and the final solutions. Naga peoples are peace-loving people. We never start any war. We don't want any war with anybody also. And we don't want our friends, our neighbors to engage in war also. So we are trying to reach out to them and tell them that we should come together and negotiate if there is any issues whatsoever. That is our role that we are playing. Honorable Home Minister is very much aware of the situation in Manipur, and he also is concerned about the sentiment of the people. It's very sensitive. That's what he also mentioned. It is very sensitive. We cannot just rush and do things. But I think comparatively, the situation is much under control now.
There are many rumors that is going around all over the country regarding Manipur situation right now. Can you dispel a few of them just to make it clear? Because social media is going haywire right now with rumors from there. So just a few top.
What is the kind of
The religious aspect, Kuki versus Maite and religious aspects, first of all that. And then about the Manipur Chief Minister being the backbone of all these clashes.
Actually, these are all dreamers. When there is a mob mob don't understand anything. They just lay their hands on wherever it comes across. So in the process, many churches have been burned down. And I think it is not on the religious line. An honorable chief minister, as a responsible person, he's trying his best to bring the situation under control. But, these things happens because of rumor. There's a rumor in Churchampur, and there's a rumor in Imphal, saying that somebody is killed, somebody is kidnapped, somebody is like that. So it suddenly, bursts out. And things goes in a few minutes, in a few hours, and it goes out of hand. That is the only thing. But now I think things are coming into very, understanding between almost all the communities.
Government ready to give an ex gratia to all the families of what happened in the clashes and the loss of property and life?
That's it. That's been already announced. That's been already announced. That will be announced. Honorable Chief Minister have announced for those people, for those victims who lost their life, even in a joint statement with the Honorable Home Minister and our Honorable Chief Minister have announced that.
So we have just heard, especially Kashim Washum, the NPF minister from Manipur, he had also explained that all these rumors that are going around is not to be believed. And also, most importantly, Amit Shah has helped a lot in bringing in peace into the situation in Manipur. Other than that, he also said that he urges the government to also, about considering the separate administration, that to consult with the Kukis, the Nagas and the Maites to come into a consensus and make sure that everyone is consulted regarding this. That was one of the main topics. He has also said that if the events of any administration comes about, the Naga areas should not be touched due to past reasons of conflict. And in order to avoid further escalation, the Naga people should be consulted before any arrangement is made. So that was the press conference with the 10 Naga MLAs from Manipur who are here right now in Chumukedima at Nyathu Resort. They called for a press conference and they spoke especially on the biggest issue of a separate administration, where they said that everybody, especially the Nagas, have to be consulted in order to come to a consensus. Esther here with camera person Hinoka for Nagaland News Network.